Question 6. The circumference of a circle is 11 pi inches. What is the area in square inches of the circle? Express your answer in terms of pi. Okay, well, what do we have here? We have circumference, so that kind of signals to us the formula for circumference, so it's pi times diameter. And we're looking for the area, so we have circumference, so we're looking for the area. The area is pi r squared. Okay, and we know the circumference, or the distance around the circle. It's kind of a flat circle, but just bear with me. The distance around the circle is 11 pi. It tells us the circumference is 11 pi. And we know that the formula is pi times diameter for circumference. Oh yeah, I remember what to do. We can just divide by pi, right? Because that's good legal math. So we divide by pi, and we get the diameter of 11. So I'm going to draw a little better circle this time. And we're going to say, okay, we have this circle, the diameter is 11. Ooh, see my mistake? That's just the radius. We need the whole diameter to be 11. Don't make that mistake. The whole diameter is going to be 11. So if the whole diameter is 11, what is the radius going to be? What is the distance from the center of the circle outward? What is this distance if the whole diameter is 11? Well, I mean, if you think about it, if you draw it out, it's really helpful. And if you know that 2 times the radius equals the diameter, then you're just going to divide the diameter by 2. So how do we do that? We just divide by 2. And we get a radius of 5.5, which kind of makes sense, right? If 11's the diameter, then the radius is going to be 5.5, because 5.5 plus 5.5 gets you 11. Okay, so we're in good shape thus far, but we have more work to do. We know the radius equals 5.5, and now, as a reminder, we know that the area formula is pi r squared. Swap out 5.5 for the radius, and we get 5.5 squared times pi will give us our area. So we do punch that in to the calculator. Remember, it says in terms of pi, right? In terms of pi, so we don't need to punch the pi button. We just have to write 5.5 times 5.5, which is 30.25 times pi, and that's our area. But if that is your answer, you will lose a point because you haven't written it with the units. So make sure you put the units in there. It's square inches, right? Because the question says, you know, inches, and down here you need to put it in square inches. So make sure you just have as complete an answer as you can by putting the units in there, and you're good.